This video is intended to give a brief introduction to the poster session setup at the 2015 Virtual Project Directors Conference. Posters will be available for attendees to browse throughout the conference in the platform's exhibit hall. You can access the exhibit hall from the lobby of the platform or using navigation buttons that will be available at the top of the page throughout the platform. Posters will be presented across multiple exhibit booths and organized by topic. To enter a booth, click on the icon. Once you enter a booth, you may jump between booths using the icons shown above. To look at a poster inside a booth, click on the rectangular button on the left side of the screen. An overview of that poster will appear, showing the poster's full title, abstract, and presenter information. Beneath this overview, a PowerPoint file will be available for download, containing information typically presented on a poster, such as review of literature, methodology, findings, outcomes, and challenges. If supplemental materials were submitted, these will be available below the presentation. Supplemental materials may include hyperlinks to other websites, PDFs of handouts or tools, and video or audio files. You can interact with other attendees in the poster session through text-based chat. Beneath each booth is a chat box. The chat is associated with this booth and all of its posters. Poster presenters will be expected to be engaged in text-based discussions with participants at assigned 30-minute intervals throughout the conference. This chat box can be used to send comments for everyone to view or to specific attendees. To send a message to an individual attendee within the booth, click on All Users and select the person you wish to message. Please note that if you navigate away from this booth, you will leave the chat. One way to stay engaged in a conversation throughout the platform is to view and participate in the Twitter feed. Twitter feed is available by pressing the Twitter icon at the top right-hand corner of any page. The hashtag for this conference is PDConf15. Now that you've had an introduction to the poster session format, we'll briefly go over how to submit a poster proposal for the 2015 Virtual Project Directors Conference. You can click on the submission link sent in your email from osep-meeting@air.org, or open a web browser and go to www.osep-meeting.org, and then click More Information about the PD Conference. This is the Virtual Project Director Conference's main web page. In addition to submitting a poster proposal, you can register for the conference, learn more about the conference's format, and see a draft agenda. To submit a poster proposal, click on the bottom. This online form will provide another overview of the poster session setup, as well as detailed poster submission requirements. Please note that all materials must be 508 compliant when they are submitted to be considered for a poster session. This page contains helpful links with information on how to create a fully accessible file, how to check your file for possible errors, and how to fix common errors. Lastly, there's a list of possible supplemental materials you may submit in addition to the required PowerPoint presentation, as well as additional considerations for how to engage and interact in this new virtual environment. The call for proposals closes March 25th. If you have any questions about submitting or presenting a poster session at the OSEP Virtual Project Directors Conference, please contact us at osep-meeting@air.org.